Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, HUAWEI MatePad Pro 12 and 6 2022, and now I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on your device. Okay, there are three methods to take a screenshot on your tablet. And the first one, if you want to take a screenshot using first method, you just need to press together power button and volume down. Just press together, and as you can see, screenshot was successfully saved in your gallery. Cool. If you want to take screenshot using second method, you need to swipe from up to down using your three fingers and just just swipe using three fingers from up part of your screen to down. Cool. The third, if you want to make a screenshot using third method, you need to knock twice on your screen using your not finger but bone part of your finger. Just knock, and as you can see, screenshot was successfully taken. You can take a long screenshot, scroll shot. To do it, you need to open the screen. You can scroll, wait a while, and just take a screenshot using one of three methods, and just hold this screenshot icon. Hold it and scroll down, and you will perform the scroll shot, long screenshot. If you want to take this screenshot, just press on any space on your screen, and as you can see, we have take the long screenshot. Then just press on save button, and cool, long screenshot was successfully saved in our gallery. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.